welcome back to my channel. My name is Barb and you're at Barb Beauty, and today's video is going to be a first impression and review on all the products in July's Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box, so you pay monthly and you get a box of full-size makeup shipped to your door. This is the box it comes with. Mine looks a little bit crazy because I wasn't home when it got delivered and the rain kind of ruined the box, but luckily every product in it was secured and bubble wrapped and none of my products got messed up. Yes, Boxycharm is $25 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size products. Each month has a theme, and this theme was sunshine. You got cute little limes. I really like this picture. It's really cute and is fitting for all the products that are in here. And yes, I will leave a link below so you can get your hands on this box if you watch this video and want to get the products I got. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to my channel, follow all of my social media, and a huge thank you to Boxycharm for sending me this box. Now let's get on to the products that are in the box. Hi guys, so the first product from this box I'm going in with is the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. This is what it looks like. It says the super potent vitamin C brightening booster supercharges your cream or serum to firm and brighten the appearance of the skin, while naturally gives a younger, regenerated look. This concentrated formula contains watermelon and green tea extracts, which help reduce sun damage, even out skin tone, and improve the appearance of the skin. So yeah. And this product retails for $50. So I'm going to take some of my favorite primer. This is the Juno & Co. Moonshine Miracle Cream. And then I'm just going to take some of this booster that I got in this month's Boxycharm. We'll do 3 drops. And then I'm just going to apply that to the skin. First impressions, I really enjoy this. It smells really good. It feels super hydrating. I know that primer I mixed it with is really hydrating, but it's kind of a different feel. It's like smoother and more of like tacky, which is perfect for a foundation primer because the primer is going to stick to the sticky feeling. So I feel like I'm going to really enjoy this. I will keep you updated on my Instagram as I continue to use this and incorporate it like more into skincare. But first impressions, I really like this. It's $50, but it's only $25 for the box, so that is amazing. The next product in the box is the Cream Shop Next Gen Blender Set. This is what it looks like. You get 2 sponges. This retails for $22, so you get 2 sponges for $22. A duo of uniquely cut sponges designed to apply and blend cosmetics to all areas of the face, including hard-to-reach places that traditional sponges and brushes can't get to. Easily apply and blend powder and liquid foundation for a flawless complexion. So I'm going to open these and see which of the 2 I want to use. Oh my god, they are so soft! Oh my god, they kind of feel like dough, like they're... Oh my god, that sounds so weird. Like, they don't feel like a sponge. They feel super soft. Oh my god, I can't even describe the feeling. Okay, so this one is kind of shaped like more like a traditional beauty blender. The little egg shape, and it has like a slanted side right here. Whereas this one, it's kind of a longer shape and it has a flat tip and a flat side right here. So I think I'm going to go in with this one today, just a more traditional shape, but this one feels and looks really cool too. So I'm going to go wet this and I will be right back. Okay, so I just wet the sponge and it literally doubled in size, so that's cool. I really wish I could explain how this feels. And I know it looks like a typical sponge. I wasn't expecting anything fancy, but this feels different than any other sponge I've ever felt. I am so excited to see how this blends out foundation because I keep saying it, but I've never felt a sponge that felt like this. It's so weird to me. Okay, so I'm just picking up some product. So I've applied my foundation on one side of my face. And it looks so pretty. And it was really easy to blend out, really quick. And I feel like this sponge, for whatever reason, it could be the primer, but my face is just glowy. Oh my gosh. This sponge is awesome. I promise you guys, I'm not trying to be dramatic or trying to like sell you this box or these sponges, but I'm just seriously saying that this is the coolest sponge I've ever felt. It has such a weird texture. I'm sorry that I can't describe it, but I don't know, it feels cool. It blended it out so fast, and my skin looks like skin. It's like, it didn't make it cakey or weird. And that primer underneath, my skin is just so glowy. I'm gonna go do my brows and powder off of camera, and I will be right back to show the next product. So I'm going in with my next product from the box, and it is the Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise palette. Here is what the outside looks like. And then when you open it up, it is these gorgeous bronzer shade. I can appreciate a palette like this because I do client work and I can use this on such a range of skin tones, but I'm gonna go in with the first two. So yeah, I'm just gonna pick up the first one for right now and just see how pigmented it is. Okay. These are pigmented. So I'm just going to, I'm gonna pick up a different brush. I'm gonna go in with more of a tapered brush and just blend that out. Alright, so I have applied the bronzer everywhere I like to apply bronzer. Duh. And I do like this formula. It's very pigmented, which it's kind of a love-hate for bronzers, because some bronzers, they're too sheer to where you don't even see them. Some are smack in the middle, which are my personal favorites, where you can build it up. But ones like these, they are really pigmented, but it's really blendable. So a lot goes on, but you're able to kind of work with it. It doesn't just go on there. It doesn't just go on there patchy and look like a muddy mess. So I do like this palette. I will also say the undertones of the shade are really pretty. I like them on my skin tone. I don't feel like it's too warm or too cool. It really complements my skin. Okay, so now that it's applied on my face and blended out, I really like this bronzer palette. It's nice and pigmented, it shows up, it sculpted my face. The undertone of this shade, I did only go in with the lightest shade. So if you're any fairer than me, maybe this isn't gonna work for you, but if you're any darker than me, definitely give this a go, because these shades are really nice. I really enjoy the undertone of this. It just looks natural, and I really enjoy it. So yes, I like this. I forgot to read about it. This is the Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise palette. It retails for $30. It is an addition to much loved Paradise collection. I guess they have more of these. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. I do feel like that is the claim. Can be layered on top of liquid cream or other powder products. I applied it on powder and I had no problem with it. I don't think I would like to apply this on top of liquid because of how pigmented it is. I feel like it blended out nicely because I had the other powder on top, but if you were to put this formula on liquid, I feel like that would be a whole mess. But I like this palette. I do recommend it. You get it in the box. It's worth it. Okay, I'm gonna go do a couple things off camera and I will be back to show the next product. So I'm back. I threw in some eyeshadow, a little bit of crease color, outer V color, and I'm going in with my next product from the box. This is the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. Here's what it looks like. It's kind of like a dupe for those Stila ones. This retails for $25. It says get both shimmer and shine with this cream eyeshadow. This lightweight, decadent formula is the perfect addition to your glow. Apply a sheer layer for a soft and radiant daytime appearance, or add a few layers for a dramatic evening glow. So I'm just gonna go in with this and kind of just place it on my lid halfway through. I'm kind of gonna put my mirror up close to me. Sorry, I know it's annoying to look at, but I wanna be kind of precise with this. All right, so okay, so I did one layer and I do like it. I'm definitely gonna go in with 2 layers or 3 because, I mean, they did advertise it like, hey, 1 coat is gonna be a sheer wash, and that definitely is the case. I feel like it's just a little bit of glitter, but I do feel like when I add more, it'll look better. Just because I kind of have more of a dramatic eye going. Now this look, this would be pretty 1 coat by itself if you did a no makeup look. Oh my gosh, this would look so pretty just thrown on the lid because of how sheer it is. But the real test is gonna be if it's buildable. And I'm just gonna go in with round 2. All right, so adding another layer definitely helped. I am gonna go in with a 3rd and final layer just to see if I can really get an intense color with this product. But so far, I kind of like it, I kind of don't. I guess because I'm someone that likes a little bit more dramatic makeup, to where I want that first swipe to be what 3 swipes of this is, if that makes sense. But this is almost dry. I'm gonna add 1 more layer. Okay, so I feel like after 3 coats, it's finally how I want it to look. Now, I will say, I can't really say anything bad about it because the claims are what it was. It says, apply 1 layer for a sheer, soft, and radiant look, which it did. It was that sheer color, lots of glitter, and apply a few layers for a dramatic evening glow, which that's exactly how it performed. I am just someone that personally, I would want this right off the bat, but I feel like if you're kind of an in-between makeup wearer, dramatic, natural, you could get a lot of use out of this. I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup, finish up my face, and I will come back to show the last product in this month's Boxycharm. Hi guys, so I'm back with my lashes on, my lip liner on, my setting spray's on. The last thing I have to do is apply some lip gloss, which is the final product in July's Boxycharm. Now, let me just tell you guys, if you saw my last video, you will understand why I am so excited for this final product in this box. The final product of July's Boxycharm box is Alamar Cosmetics' new Birthday Suit Gloss. This is what the component looks like. Now, this isn't typical Alamar Cosmetics packaging. They did collaborate with Boxycharm to make this special size gloss. You actually get more in this than their typical tube. I cannot believe I got this in my box because in my last video I literally raved about it because I got this sent to me from Alamar and now I got it in my Boxycharm as a little backup. So on Boxycharm's little card it says, Alamar Cosmetics is celebrating their 2-year anniversary by wearing their birthday suit, Wink, a universal gorgeous pink diamond dripped gloss. This size tube retails for $15. So on my lips already, I lightly lined my lips with the Alamar Cosmetics Birthday Suit liner. This is my favorite liner too. I really lightly applied it so you can get more of the gloss color. I just wanted to define my lips a little bit. And you can tell this is the prettiest color. I'm telling you, if you like pinky nude lips, and if you can wear this if you're fair, if you're dark, if you're in the middle. I am like a light to medium skin tone, and it is the prettiest color on me. I'm using my hands so much because I am emphasizing just how amazing this gloss is. If you don't go out and get the Boxycharm box, definitely try to get your hands on the gloss alone, because I'm just gonna show you. If you didn't see my last video, I'm gonna show you why this is the greatest gloss. So I'm just gonna apply this and let you guys see for yourself why this is the greatest gloss in the world. Okay, are you ready? God, it is so freaking pretty. Oh my God, it's so pretty. About it, it's a pink. Oh my God, I applied way too much. I'm sorry, I went a little overkill on the gloss. It was like glooping in my mouth. That was my fault, not the gloss's fault. So definitely check out Alamar Cosmetics. Definitely check out this month's Boxycharm, because you could get this in your box and you will be the happiest person in the world if you do, because this is what I want on my lips every single day. I'm telling you, I am wearing this on my wedding day. I don't care if that's 5 years from now. I'm gonna take this one and tuck it away, because this is the prettiest lip gloss ever, and I'm gonna shut up about it before people come for me for being so annoying. But go get you some of this and go get you this box, okay? This was the final look I came up with using all of the products in July's Boxycharm. Okay guys, that was today's video using every single product from July's Boxycharm. I will leave a link below to get your hands on the box. It's a monthly subscription box. Full-size products, totally worth it. So I'm gonna head over to my calculator and type in how much everything costs. So the serum is $50, the cream eyeshadow is $25, the bronzer palette is $30, the Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss is $15, and the sponges are $22. So you are looking, you are looking at a $142 value for a $25 box. That is insane to me. That is so worth it. I would literally recommend everything that I got in this box. Let me know below which product was your favorite and which one you're gonna hope to get in your box. Again, I'll leave a link below so you can get your hands on this box and hopefully get some of these products. I really had fun making this video. I missed getting Boxycharms. This was so much fun. Don't forget to subscribe to my social media, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Everything is at BarbBeauty with 3 Ys. Then my username is the same everywhere. It makes it so much easier. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like so you can see my future videos. And I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.